Hi there, this is Pedro from Investing in the Web, and in this video I will help you invest in the S&P 500 on the DEGIRO's platform. So the first thing that you need to do is to actually open a DEGIRO account and deposit funds. In this case I'm using the web app, but you can use the mobile app as well. So if you actually search for the S&P 500 on the DEGIRO search bar, you will see that there are dozens of different ETFs to choose from, so you might be a bit confused. There is no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to S&P 500 ETFs because different investors will prefer different ETFs. So different investors have different currencies, they live in different countries with different tax laws, so it's important for you to investigate for yourself. For that, there is a good site to compare and filter ETFs. It's called justetf.com. You can filter the ETFs available on the DEGIRO and see their performance and see their characteristics. At Investing in the Web, we have actually created this table that has the 4 biggest S&P 500 ETFs available in the DEGIRO platform. We rank them by their fund size, so by the amount of money that people have invested in these ETFs. So in this case, we recommend the first 2 ETFs, one from iShares and the other one from Vanguard. And why? Because they have a low total expense ratio. The replication method is physical. They are the 2 biggest ETFs available on the DEGIRO, and also because they are included in the DEGIRO's ETF core selection list, which basically means that the transaction fees are lower. So let's say that you have decided you want to invest in an S&P 500 ETF and you have chosen your ETF. So in this case, we will be using the iShares. You just copy the ticker, you paste it on the DEGIRO search bar, and here you have your product. So this one is quoted in euros. So if euros is not your currency, you will be charged a currency conversion fee, but you can try to find an S&P 500 ETF that is quoted in your currency. So after that, it's quite simple. You just press the buy button, and here you have to fill the order details. So normally we go for the daily order, and then we can choose either by the limit or market order. So the market order will find the best available price. So you just choose the amount of ETFs that you want to buy, and it will find the best price for you. If you prefer a limit order, you define the price that you want to pay, and as soon as it hits your target price, it will buy the order. So it's the same. In this case, we can put a limit order. We choose the number of ETFs that we want to buy, and then just click the place order button. After that, you will have a confirmation image that shows the fees that you will pay and other details. And that's it. After that, you have officially invested in the S&P 500. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any comments or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you want to know more details, you can always check the article from Investing in the Web, where we go more in detail about these topics.